Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me back once again, and today I am doing a seafood boil. Yes, it's gonna be a small seafood boil because I'm cooking it just for myself, and I'm gonna fry my grandma some fish so y'all get to see that. I don't know how well you're gonna see it, but yeah. So what I'm gonna be making is some mussels, potatoes, corn, sausage, eggs, and shrimp. And yes, that's all gonna be just for me. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead on and get started. I thought I was gonna be able to go live for y'all, but there are some new rules to going live, and I don't have none of that stuff downloaded to my computer. Don't have it set up for my mobile phone, and I'm so upset about that because I thought I was gonna go live for y'all today. But hey, anyway, y'all still gonna get a video. So let's get started with this seafood boil. Okay, so to start it off, in my pot, what I have is some, well, not in my pot, but what I'm about to put in my pot is some Zatarain's crab oil, and this is what I use in my water to season it. And I just have me a little measuring cup. When I use a big tall pot, I use 1/3 of a cup of it because it don't take much. It's really, really salty, so you don't need much. But I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this in here, and it have the spice that it needs as well. So I did about half of that, and then I used the chicken seasoning as well. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this in there, and you know, just be careful with both of these seasonings because they are salty. Okay, so I just let that get to boiling, and then I'll be right back once I cut up my potatoes. Okay, so depending on how many potatoes that you want, that's how many you put in your bowl. And I just cut mine up nice size like that, kind of on the large side. Something to dip on in my butter. And don't peel them, just put them in here just like this, or you can put them in here whole if you want it like that. So how many do I have? That's enough because I know I ain't gonna eat all that. Okay, so I put about 1 medium size. I'm putting me some egg in here. Let me see. I'm gonna do 3 eggs. So I put my sausage, my eggs, and my potatoes in there first. So I have me some lumberjack sausage that I'm gonna be using. And I'm gonna put me 1 sausage in here. Or maybe I'm gonna put me 2 in there. Put me 2 sausages. And I just let all this boil together first before I start adding other stuff because the shrimp and the mussels don't take that long. This right here is what's gonna take the longest. So I'm gonna turn it up and let it do what it do. Okay, so now that I'm waiting on that, I'm going to get my butter sauce ready. In your seafood boil, you can put you some crabs. You can put you some neck bones, chicken, whatever you like. Anything can go in a seafood boil. But you know, everything that you know that take the longest to cook, that's what you have to boil first. And if you want everything to stay in the pot, then you have to do it in layers. Like say if you're gonna put some neck bones in there, you know neck bones take a while to cook. So what you're going to do is, don't put your potatoes in there because potatoes don't take that long to cook. Put your seasonings in there, put your neck bones in there. And then, when the neck bones start getting tender, then you add your sausages. You know, go in layers where, you know, the things take a lot of time. You have to do it like that. Then you can put your sausages, your potatoes, your corn, and stuff like that. Don't add everything at the same time because it's just going to be... Everything don't cook at the same time, you know, same amount of time. So you have to add it in, you know, a decent amount of time to get everything done, like, you know, and not overly cooked. And I want to give a shout out. I want to give a shout out to Risa Richardson. because she has been like so supportive of my channel. She has been giving me shout outs. She has been sending me people over to my channel, and I'm so thankful for her because it's hard trying to get subscribers, y'all. And when you know somebody that don't mind helping you and, you know, and sending you subscribers and sending people to your channel because it's up to them if they want to subscribe. But, you know, just giving a shout out to your channel for them to come over to, you know, check you out. It's a good feeling when you know you got somebody that'll do that for you. And I just appreciate her from the bottom of my heart for doing that. And I thank each and every one of you that came over and subscribed to my channel. So my sausage is bust open, right? All right. And I got the corn that I hold on. Okay, so the corn that I gotta shuck it, y'all. And I'm not in camera right now, but I'm not no professional shucker, but my grandma tried to teach me a little bit of something. I think I did it from the wrong end, too. Hold on, let me see. Okay, there I go. Did do it from the fuzzy end. Okay, and then I'm just shucking my own corn to put in here, you guys. So I'm gonna shuck me about... How many did I buy? I think I bought 3 corns. So I'm gonna put all 3 of them in here. And corn don't take that long either. That's why I didn't throw them in the pot first with all this stuff. And I'm gonna check my potatoes to make sure they're ready. So hold on. All right, y'all. So these potatoes is done already. So I'm gonna just pull them out and put them over here in my pan. And my sausages is done as well. Ooh. It's trying to get me, y'all. And I'm quite sure my eggs is done too. Everything else is done. So I'm going to take that corn and I'm going to throw it on in that water. And let it cook for about 5 minutes because it don't take long for corn to cook. So get my other corn and put it in here. At Walmart they was $3 for $1. So this one I bought 3 ears of corn. I should have bought more corn, but I didn't. But I knew I was just doing this for myself. And I'm going to let those go in there for about 5 minutes. Stir up my sauce. It's coming along nicely. And I like it chunky, y'all. That's why I put so many onions in there. The onions and them seasonings be the best part when you dip down in there and get them onions and that seasoning on that potato, that egg. Woo! What? Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. Okay. So, I got all of that. Alright, so I'm about to get my fish seasoned up and my grease going for that. And I will be back, y'all, because I want everything done at the same time. Same time. Y'all liking this light? Shout out to my sister, you guys. My sister bought me a light. That was so special of her. So nice of her. She bought me a light in a tripod. And I am loving it, y'all, because I can cook for y'all at nighttime now. OMG, what you say? Ah! I'm so excited, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I'm finna get this fish going over here. And I have done, 2 videos on how I fry my fish. So, if you would like to see that, then I will post that above. It'll be in the little iCard. It's going to pop up across the screen now. And, yeah, y'all can see how I fry my fish. Okay, I'm just trying to get this meal ready. So that I can go. That's my husband, y'all.
Double cup like tunchi.
He ain't drinking no Kool-Aid.
Double cup like tunchi.
Like, be careful. Huh? Okay.
What key is it?
Ain't no someone probably on the kitchen table. So, here I'm just breading this fish. Huh?
So come out see when I get back.
Just fried up for my grandma. And I'm making her some grits to go with it.
Say that.
Okay, y'all. So, let's check on this cone. And this cone, y'all. It ain't ready yet. Turn that up some, let it get frying. Get it frying. But yeah, I just want to thank my sister Nikita, if y'all don't know. Y'all haven't seen her, but we got plans on doing a video together. And so y'all will see her in one of my future videos. I just want to thank her for my camera, my tripod and my little light and everything. Y'all, I just appreciate her because she just know her sister needed it. She know I needed it to do these videos for y'all. She said, I told her, I said, well, because when I was gonna get it, I said, well, I don't need the light yet. I just want the tripod. And then she told me something. Well, you gotta start somewhere. You gotta put something into it and stuff like that. So I was like, I was putting something into it by getting the tripod, but I didn't even get a knock on my door. FedEx, no, who was it? Whoever it was, FedEx or UPS, because I don't know, because it came in the Amazon box. So she called my phone because I guess she got emailed to her phone to let her know that the package had got to my house. And so she was like, go check your front door. Don't you got a package at the front door? I was like, no. I was like, my husband, he just came home, so I know it ain't nothing, at the front door. She told me something, well, just go check the front door, make sure. So I went and checked the front door, and the package was no. I didn't go check the front door. My husband, he went and checked the front door. And he was like, babe, it's a box out here by the door. Who this belongs to? Now, that lets you know that UPS or FedEx, whoever it is, no folks ain't no good because they could at least knock on the door to let me know that they put a package by the door. Instead of just sit, you put it by the door, just knock on the door. They didn't even knock. So anyway, he told me, who package this is? So I was like, well, who name on it? Because, I thought maybe she got a package sent to my house. Well, it had my name on it, but, when I opened up the box, it looked like, some of her camera equipment or something like that because, she do video editing. So, if y'all need somebody to edit y'all videos, if y'all need somebody to do any kind of editing for you, if you in her areas, she take videos through emails and however she do it. I don't know, but I'm going to shout her out. Her name is Nikita Wade on Facebook. Yeah, Nikita Wade on Facebook. And just hit her up on Facebook some kind of way. I'm going to just put a link down, but I don't even know how to do the links. I try. I'm going to just put her name down there to let y'all know about her and stuff like that because her and her friends, they make videos and then they go and do and she edit them. So, she is really good at what she do and she is really good, y'all. I'm telling y'all. So, however I need to do this before I post my video, I'm going to make sure I put it down in the description. So, check the description box so that y'all can get information to her. And so that you can go and hit her up if y'all need some videos done or something like that. Because I'm telling you, she is good, y'all. And her crew, they come out wherever you at and they record for you. She do the editing and whatever from there. I can't give you the information because I don't know. I just know what they do. So, yeah. Anyway, so I just want to thank you. But anyway, it had my name on there and I thought it was for her. So, I was like, I say, well, there's some else stuff. So, she told me, so well, open it, let me see what it is. So, I went to opening the box and everything, and the first thing I pulled out was the ring light. And I was like, oh my God, this is for me. This is for me. That's why I was like, this is for me. I said, I know what my husband's talking about. How you know that's yours? I said, I know that's mine because she was just telling me about that. She had a ring light. So, and me and her was talking about, you know, a ring light and tripod stand. And I was like, oh, I was just so in shock, and I was just excited about, you know, getting my gift in the mail, and I just appreciate my sister. I love her dearly. Like, thank you, Nikita. I love you, boo boo. So yeah. I appreciate that though, yeah. I ain't lying. I really do. Be a blessing to somebody and it come right back on you. You will get one back. So I'm just turning her fish. My grandma love fish, y'all. She love fish. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so this is my grandma's fish and grits. It looks delicious, don't it? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I'm going to take her this. Okay, so now I'm about to get this corn out of this pot because I know it's done by now. And drop my mussels on in here. Ma'am. Okay, don't worry about it. And then I'm gonna drop me some shrimp in here. And put me some shrimp in here because they get done about the same amount of time, the mussels and the shrimp. Do what it do. I'm gonna cover this up. Let that go for about 5 minutes. And then it'll be ready. So I'll be back, y'all, with the finished look of everything. Okay, y'all, this is my seafood boil with sausage, corn, eggs, potatoes, and shrimp. And mussels. Okay, and this is the butter sauce, or my dipping sauce that I make, y'all. Look at that, looks so good. And I am ready to dig in before my food get cold. So I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to me. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. And until next time, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace.